In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI image generator app with Lovable. Start by opening your browser on your PC and navigating to www.lovable.dev. On the homepage, click Sign In. You can continue with Google, GitHub, or email. Choose the option you prefer and complete the sign-in flow. Once you're in, look for the option to start from prompt. This lets you describe the app you want in plain English and have Lovable generate it for you. Click inside the prompt box and type something like create an AI image generator app with a text box for prompts, a generate button, and an area to show the image. Keep the wording clear and direct so the system understands exactly what you want. When you're ready, press enter to build app. Now wait while the app is generated. This can take a moment as Lovable sets up the layout and logic behind the scenes. You'll see the interface come together automatically based on the description you provided. If the image generator piece is missing after generation, don't worry. You can quickly add it using the built-in chat. Click the chat box and type add an AI image generator using text to image and display the generated image. Then press enter. Lovable will update the app to include the text to image capability and a place to display the result. Give it a moment to finish the update before you continue. When the app is ready, try it out. Click the text input within the app, type an image prompt, something like a watercolor landscape at sunrise or a futuristic city at night, and then click generate. The system will process your prompt and render an image based on your description. Generation can take a few seconds, so be patient as it creates the output. If your first result isn't exactly what you had in mind, adjust the wording of your prompt for clarity or add more detail, such as style, lighting, or composition. Short, focused prompts work well, and you can experiment with variations to find what looks best. That's all there is to it. You opened Lovable, signed in, described the app you wanted, built it with a single prompt, used the chat to add the image generator if needed, and then tested it by entering a prompt and clicking generate. With this workflow, you can go from an idea to a functioning AI image generator in minutes without writing any code.